this is PADLOCKS. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to vlog 85 of the hashtag 365 hours series. Today we have these 3 triangle locks. Nice little logo on them. Cool little key as well. Look, they all come with keys. I think they've all got original keys as well. So I thought, why not have a go at picking these? Try and get all 3. I'm going to do them in the vice as I possibly can. Start with one of the bigger ones. I'm going to pick down. So, what's the key on this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 4 or 5. I always struggle counting the that's too thin. That's just right. So what shall I use? I'm going to use the number 4 hook. There we go. That's one open. So, number 2, let me just put the key back with that one. Number 2. Oh, this one felt a bit stiffer. This one's got a bit of a better bitting. A lot better bitting actually. Focus. I think it's a 5 pinner. That looks like 5 to me. This one might put a bit more of a 5. I don't think I've picked these. Well, I haven't picked these ones in the vice. More vice virgins for me. We'll start at the back. These ones are quite mushy, to be honest. There we go. That's number 2. Put a key with that one. Now for the small one. Works fine. I'm very rusty. That's a bit of the key. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to say 4. Let's see if we can get this one. Make sure that turns quite a lot. Look at the slap in that one. Three for 3. So, 3 triangle locks, all SPPs. I know they're all only standard locks probably, but they've all got a different bitting, present a little bit of a different challenge, and a good practice. And also, it gives me a bit more confidence picking the vice because I've been having a lot of success in the vice, so it's working out for me well. So that's it for vlog 85. Hope you all enjoyed watching. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. I'll see you later.